If you think minivans are boring, think again. Because what you are really looking at right now is not just another family van. This is the 2026 Kia Carnival, and it's rewriting the rules of what a premium MPV can be. This isn't just about space, it's about presence. It's not just about practicality, it's about prestige. And today on VelozDrive, we're rediving deep into why the 2026 Kia Carnival might just be the most luxurious family gov on the market right now. As the camera slowly glides across its bold front fascia, you immediately notice how dramatically Kia has evolved this machine. The upright grille feels more SUV-inspired than ever, finished in intricate chrome detailing that sparkles under golden hour light. The LED daytime running lights slice through the air with a sharp, futuristic signature. This doesn't look like a van you park quietly in the school lot. This looks like something that commands attention outside a five-star hotel. Kia has clearly pushed the design language further this year. The front bumper is sculpted with clean, geometric lines. The hood carries subtle muscular creases that give it a strong, confident stance. From the side profile, the long wheelbase enhances its executive presence, while premium multi-spoke alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly. Chrome accents around the window line elevate the luxury vibe. And in pearl white or deep midnight black, the 2026 Carnival genuinely looks like a luxury SUV alternative. But the real magic begins when those power sliding doors open. Step inside and you immediately realize this is not your typical MPV interior. The cabin feels like a private lounge on wheels. Quilted Nappa leather seats, available in elegant beige or deep black, wrap you in softness. The stitching detail is precise and premium. The ambient lighting glows subtly in blue and violet tones, creating a calm, high-end atmosphere at night. This is where Kia shifts from practical to premium. Front and center, you get a massive dual panoramic display setup seamlessly integrated into a single, curved housing. The digital instrument cluster is crisp, modern, and customizable. The infotainment system is fast, responsive, and beautifully animated. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air updates keeping the system fresh. The interface feels clean and intuitive, designed to reduce distraction while maximizing elegance. Move to the second row, and this is where the 2026 Kia Carnival truly separates itself. Available VIP Captain S chairs with reclining function and powered ottomans transform long road trips into first-class experiences. Ventilated and heated seating ensures year-round comfort. The seats slide, recline, and adjust with smooth electronic precision. It genuinely feels like business-class airline seating, except you're on the road. Even the materials throughout the cabin tell a story of refinement. Real wood trim blends with piano black surfaces. Soft touch materials extend across the dashboard and door panels. The cabin insulation is impressive. Road noise is minimal, wind noise is controlled, and the overall ride feels serene. And speaking of ride, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Carnival offers updated powertrain options depending on the market. Expect a refined V6 engine delivering smooth, confident acceleration, paired with an intelligent automatic transmission tuned for seamless shifts. Some regions may also receive a hybrid powertrain option, blending efficiency with torque-rich performance. Regardless of configuration, the focus here is refinement. The power delivery is linear, quiet, and confident, perfect for a premium family cruiser. The suspension setup has also been tuned for comfort. It absorbs bumps gracefully, even on rough urban roads. At highway speeds, the Carnival feels planted and stable. Steering is light, yet precise, making this large vehicle surprisingly easy to maneuver in tight parking spaces. For a vehicle of this size, it drives smaller than it looks. Safety, of course, is a major priority. The 2026 Carnival comes loaded with Kia's advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision avoidance, and a 360-degree surround view camera all work together to create a confident driving experience. Highway driving assist technology reduces fatigue on long journeys. It's not just about luxury, it's about protecting your family. Now let's talk practicality. Because no matter how luxurious this vehicle becomes, it still needs to function as a family hauler. With 7 or 8 seating configurations available, the Carnival offers impressive flexibility. The third row folds flat easily, expanding cargo capacity significantly. Even with all seats up, there's generous space for luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. This vehicle balances executive comfort with real-world utility. Storage solutions are everywhere. Clever compartments, cup holders, wireless charging pads, USB-C ports in multiple rows. Kia understands modern family needs. Rear passengers get dedicated climate controls, ensuring everyone rides comfortably. Large windows enhance the airy feeling of the cabin, and the panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light. From a technology perspective, the 2026 Carnival feels ahead of its class. Digital key functionality allows you to unlock and start the vehicle using your smartphone. Remote smart parking assist can help you maneuver into tight spots. Premium audio systems deliver immersive sound quality, turning every drive into a concert-like experience. But what truly defines this vehicle is its positioning. Kia markets it not just as a minivan, but as a GUV, a grand utility vehicle. And honestly, that branding makes sense, because this doesn't feel like a compromise choice anymore. It feels like a luxury statement for families who want space without sacrificing style. Compared to rivals in the segment, the Carnival undercuts many premium SUVs in price, while offering more space and similar levels of comfort. That's where its value proposition becomes incredibly strong. You get executive-level seating, cutting-edge tech, advanced safety, and refined performance. All wrapped in a package designed around family practicality. On the exterior, small details elevate the design even further. The rear LED light bar stretches elegantly across the tailgate. The Kia logo sits proudly at the center. The sculpted tailgate design adds depth and character. Dual exhaust accents and subtle chrome highlights complete the premium look. At night, this vehicle truly shines. Ambient lighting inside creates a calm sanctuary, while the exterior LED signature gives it a futuristic glow on the road. It feels upscale in every lighting condition. Fuel efficiency remains competitive for its class, especially if the hybrid variant becomes widely available. Combined with improved aerodynamics and intelligent energy management systems, the Carnival balances power and efficiency better than ever. Now imagine this scenario. Long highway journey, second row passengers reclining comfortably, soft music playing through a premium sound system, adaptive cruise engaged, sunset reflecting across the dashboard wood trim. This is not just transportation. It's an experience. Kia's transformation over the last decade has been remarkable, and the 2026 Carnival proves that evolution continues. The brand has moved confidently into premium territory, challenging established luxury players while maintaining strong value. The question many buyers will ask is simple. Why choose this over a large 3-row SUV? And the answer comes down to space efficiency, sliding doors for easier access, lower step-in height for kids and elderly passengers, and unmatched second-row comfort. In many ways, the Carnival offers advantages that SUVs simply cannot match. For families who prioritize comfort, technology, safety, and premium styling, without stretching into ultra-luxury price brackets, this might be the sweet spot. As we wrap up this deep dive on VelozDrive, one thing becomes clear. The 2026 Kia Carnival isn't T, trying to fit into the old minivan stereotype. It's redefining it. With bold styling, lounge-like interior comfort, cutting-edge technology, refined performance, and family-focused practicality, it stands out as one of the most compelling premium MPVs on the market. So here's the big question for you. Would you choose this over a luxury SUV? Does the new Carnival finally break the minivan stigma? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this full luxury breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more premium automotive content right here on VelozDrive. Because we don't just review cars, we experience them. And trust me, the 2026 Kia Carnival is an experience worth having.